Taking a look at FARTCOIN, we can see that FARTCOIN has almost undone the entire sell-off. We can take our fib from the high down to the low, and you can see that FARTCOIN has not only broken over the 618 retracement, but it has actually backtested it as support, which would suggest that as long as FARTCOIN is over $1, it is considered extremely bullish. You can see the 786 retracement is the final resistance holding down FARTCOIN before we get back to the high. So if we zoom in, we can actually take a fib from the recent low up to the high, and we can make the case that as long as FARTCOIN remains over 125 and 103, technically the move is to the upside. However, if FARTCOIN falls below 103, then the top is most likely in, and a larger correction back down to about 80 to 70 cents would take place before we reassess if the move will be to the upside or to the downside. Now keep in mind that FARTCOIN has already retested the 236, so it doesn't necessarily have to do it again. It just has to stay over 125 to remain bullish. Getting over 156 would send it up to 270, and getting over 270 could potentially send FARTCOIN all the way up to $5, in my opinion.